5.
Presenting the NoiseShot's Nuvo earbuds. These in-ear earphones are completely wireless with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity support that enables connectivity within a range of 10 meters. The earbuds offer a playback time of up to 4 hours for every charge. Just 10 minutes of charging enables 80 minutes of playtime. The charging case can give up to 7 additional charges to the earbuds, making total playtime of up to 28 hours. This Nuvo earbuds comes with IPX4 rating, offering protection from water, sweat and dust. The earbuds can also be used separately after successful pairing. It has 2 microphones that provides a clearer and smoother calling experience. The Nuvo earbuds is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. You can adjust volume, manage calls, and control playback, all from the controls on the Shot's Nuvo earbuds. Voice Assistant function lets you access Siri or Google Assistant. It is available in 3 color variants: Icy Grey, Stealth Black, and Vivid Red. Inside the box you can find the Bluetooth headphone, charging case, micro USB charging cable, 2 extra ear tips, user manual, thank you card and pairing card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting Philips Upbeat TAUT102BK True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds with 12 hours playtime and voice assistant. It comes in black color. This is a true wireless earbuds with Bluetooth smart pairing and inbuilt mic. It features a mono mode for when you want to leave one ear free. With ultra-light earpieces and small charging case, you can carry it everywhere with ease. It has 12 hours of battery life with 3 hours of playtime with single charge and 9 hours playtime with a fully charged case. It comes with 2 lithium polymer batteries. These in-ear true wireless earbuds is designed for a secure and comfortable fit. It has a built-in mic with echo cancellation for a clear audio experience. It has a powerful 6mm neodymium acoustic driver that delivers a strong bass and great sound. The smart Bluetooth auto pairing will automatically connect to your device when taken out of the charging case. The earbuds feature a multifunction button to wake up your voice assistant, Siri or Google. You can pause or play music or change tracks and even answer or end or reject calls conveniently. These earbuds are available in black color. The Philips earbuds come with a charging case, USB charging cable, 2 additional ear tips and a quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. EMI options are available on credit and debit cards. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Presenting Boat AirDops 281 True Wireless Earbuds that delivers an immersive audio experience on the go. This wireless earbuds feature an inbuilt microphone for clear and crisp, hands-free communication with stereo calling feature. With a battery capacity of 40 mAh for each earbud, it delivers up to 3.5 hours of continuous playback on a single charge and another 14 hours of backup from the included 420 mAh carry case. AirDops 281 has been ergonomically designed for a comfortable fit. It is IPX5 rated for resistance against water and sweat. The Boat earbuds come equipped with 6mm titanium drivers that delivers immersive HD sound. It also supports advanced audio coding for a seamless audio experience. AirDops 281 offers true wireless experience with latest Bluetooth V5.0. The earbuds come with easy access touch controls with access to instant voice assistant by single touch. AirDops 281 is available in Active Black and Furious Blue color variants. Inside the box you will get AirDops 281, charging case, 2 pairs of ear caps, charging cable and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.